Hey, good morning everybody. We've got a garage, kind of a garage house thing we're doing today. This is part down here is the garage. That's going to be the house. It'll be a second story. We're down here pouring the floor. We got ISO strip up around the edges. We got 2 inches of styrofoam under this. We got 6 mil vapor barrier and wire mesh. A couple trucks here today. Second one's backing in now. Nice gloves.
Yeah,
Your other one's dry yet?
Sure. Didn't dare leave. I was gonna leave them outside yesterday at your house, but I knew it was gonna rain. And so I was like, I finally got my concrete shoes back today. Left them outside the other day, and I got poured on. I was like, oh, they dried out. I got them again. They got poured on.
He'll probably do like 2/3 of this.
Easy killer. Good. Okay. Good.
Just wait a little bit. Watch the wire, buddy. Just careful walking on the wire. I've seen guys just trip over it and flip over backwards. You don't want you hurt. He's like, come on, guys. I'm not a baby.
Like I'm 18. I'm basically like Hillary Clinton or something.
Hey, the wire broke his wrist once.
Really? Because he fell backwards?
No, but just a simple little accident.
Yo, that's really bothering you, huh? Yeah, it is.
Good morning.
It's morning. What'd you get me into anyway?
Oh, all kinds of
3 yards on extra someplace else.
yeah. Just for you.
We're going back Riverview?
Yeah. I don't know if you remember, she had that little breezeway.
And that was still full of stone.
Yeah, I was kind of questioning, like,
We did too.
yeah, it's like you got getting anchor bolts into it. There'd be concrete in there.
Now she wants concrete there.
Hey, that's what happens when you got mine.
Yeah, down a little bit. Yep. Yep.
Go down when that shoots full. You ain't getting over that pipe.
I'm not getting over it.
Okay.
No. We got a good young stud there. He's gonna pull it.
Okay. You poor mother.
Yeah, I lock it for a minute.
Rather push it.
What about the old farm?
Good. You okay, Luke? Now move it this way. Really high right there, Luke. Yeah. Yeah, down a little bit and just a little bit. Yeah. Pull it that way. If you don't mind. Pull it that way. You okay?
Yeah, get some flashback lines.
Alright. I'm gonna flip it and just get a little right here, then we'll pull your head.
Okay.
That's right behind Aaron, still pretty high. Yeah, a little bit, please. Get the other camera.
I don't want it. It's an annual labor. My job now is to drive truck, not run tool. That's right, run truck, no tool. I thought it was drive truck because you are a tool.
Good.
You keep it up, I'm gonna cut that cord right off with a twister.
I'll go up and over there.
Yep. Cut it out with a twister, you gotta rewire it.
Oh, you alright? Sorry.
No, that's fine.
Okay, just a little bit. Good. How we pull your head, please? Yeah, I said please to him.
Yeah, you just tell me do it. I ain't got no feelings, so I don't care.
You don't have feelings.
Nope.
Oh, we wouldn't hurt him if you did anyway.
I show up, do my job, go home, pick Mark off. It's a successful day, though.
Yeah, how much is
I can do that. Missing one this morning. What's the deal with him? Is he behind?
You had to go back to school.
Back in school. Pizza.
Workshops.
Teacher?
Workshop started yesterday. Yeah.
I think you guys went out and left him all home all alone. Telling me you make more money doing concrete than that teaching.
He probably does.
We told him that numerous times, but he doesn't listen. Sure isn't a hard woman.
That makes him excited.
He's one of the little fuckers. So used to be.
Just sweeping in a couple feet there.
Double money. Yeah. Bonus check in between.
Probably get a little more there, Luke, so we can get down to about right where Darren's stepping, and then we can set over all these. Ooh. That's the dizzy's going, Luke.
Yeah?
A little bit.
Get some water, Mike?
Nah.
Puff it out, Mike.
Yeah. Worst comes worst, I just paint for a second, right?
Yeah. Little mini strokes.
Low blood pressure. I just squeeze my legs together and it pushes the blood back up to your heart.
What?
You never heard of that?
No.
Works.
Okay.
Yeah, no, just ask your dad that. All right. Guaranteed he'll say, yep, Mike's right.
Dr. Mike.
Learned something new today. A little bit more, I think.
Need just a little bit more. Let me get like that.
I'll put a little bit right there in case we're low. I could give that just a couple gallons, I think. Give that just a little bit. Maybe 3 or 4. You'll probably do half of this garage.
Huh?
You'll probably do half the garage. think just to square it back up there, if you don't mind.
Well, I do mind.
Oh, then I gotta shovel it.
Kelly's been hanging out with me too much. That's it.
Won't get too much.
Oh well.
Then you got to pull right here.
Hurry up and over the wall. Not too fast, not too slow, just right. What are you doing?
Yeah, come on. Pretty good of it.
All right, I'll take a little squirt there, then I'm gonna just readjust you. Come right over here with me if you want, Luke. Oh,
They're trying to take you out.
good.
That's the reason why I'm trying to get over the wall.
Yeah, down just a little bit, please. A little bit more. Good. All right, I'm gonna move you over a little bit here, get you tight, and we'll empty you out.